PowerShell's ValidatePattern validation attribute allows you to specify a regular expression to be compared against the values being provided to your parameters or variables. In this example function, I'm using the ValidatePattern attribute to ensure that the values being provided to my GUID parameter are indeed a valid GUID. You can see the regular expression within the parentheses, and also note that in Visual Studio Code this is currently causing the syntax highlighter some issues in syntax highlighting, but rest assured that the code is valid and correct. When I run this function, providing an integer against my GUID parameter, I get an error message stating that it doesn't match the pattern. And if I provide a string fake-GUID, I also receive an error because it's not a valid GUID. If, however, I generate a new GUID using the new GUID commandlet, the function completes successfully because the value being provided to my parameter is a valid GUID, which we can see here. It's also possible to use this attribute outside of a function to validate the contents of a variable. In this example, I've specified the ValidatePattern attribute, again within square brackets. Then within the parentheses you can see a regular expression. This one is validating that the value is a valid email address. Then I'm naming my variable, in this case email, and then I'm providing a value to that variable. When I run this, it completes successfully as I've provided a valid email address. If, however, I make this malformed by getting rid of the @ symbol, I get an error. That's been the ValidatePattern attribute. Thank you for watching.